Imagine this: a piece of fabric, a thread, and some needles. And from these simple elements, something magical happens. It could be a jacket that keeps you warm on a chilly night, or a shirt that you wear to your most important meeting. But have you ever wondered how clothes actually come to life? The journey from raw materials to the final product is a fascinating, intricate process that combines technology, creativity, and craftsmanship. Today, let's take you on a journey through the entire process of how clothes are manufactured, from an idea to something you can actually wear. The design concept. Every clothing item starts with an idea. Designers sketch out their concepts, often using advanced design software to visualize patterns, colors, and fabric choices. These designs serve as a blueprint for what the final product will look like. The design phase is crucial because it helps translate an abstract idea into a tangible item. Choosing fabrics and materials. Once the design is finalized, the next step is selecting the fabric and materials. Fabrics can range from natural fibers like cotton and wool to synthetics like polyester and nylon. Designers consider the properties of these materials, like texture, durability, stretch, and color, before making their selection. The right fabric choice can make or break the success of the design. Creating the pattern. The pattern is like a template for the garment. It's a paper or digital version of the design that includes all the measurements, shapes, and sizes needed to cut the fabric properly. Patterns are either created manually by experienced pattern makers or digitally using CAD, computer-aided design software, which offers precision and speed. Grading the pattern. Once the basic pattern is created, it's time to grade it. Grading is the process of adjusting the pattern to fit different sizes. For example, a pattern that fits a small size must be resized for medium, large, and extra large sizes. This ensures that the design looks flattering on people of all shapes and sizes. Cutting the fabric. With the graded pattern in hand, the fabric is cut according to the template. In large manufacturing facilities, this is often done using automated cutting machines that precisely slice through layers of fabric. In some cases, the fabric is laid out in multiple layers, allowing several pieces to be cut at once. Accuracy in cutting is key to ensuring the garment fits well. Sewing the pieces together. Next comes the sewing process. The cut fabric pieces are sewn together by skilled workers or machines, depending on the type of production. For high-end garments, a tailor or seamstress may sew the pieces by hand, while in mass production, industrial sewing machines are used. The sewing step brings the individual pieces, like the front and back panels, sleeves, and collar, together to create the full garment. Adding finishing details. Once the basic structure of the garment is complete, it's time for the finishing touches. This includes adding buttons, zippers, labels, and other decorative or functional elements. These details help distinguish one garment from another and also serve practical purposes. For example, the stitching on a shirt's cuff or the zipper on a jacket not only adds to the garment's aesthetics, but ensures durability and functionality. Quality control. Before the clothing is ready to be packaged and shipped, it undergoes a thorough quality control check. This step ensures that all the measurements are correct, the stitching is even, and there are no defects in the fabric or construction. Garments are inspected for issues like loose threads, uneven hems, or missing buttons. Pressing and ironing. After passing the quality check, the garment is pressed or ironed to smooth out wrinkles and ensure it looks sharp. Pressing also helps to set the fabric, ensuring the garment holds its shape and remains attractive throughout its lifespan. This step is essential for ensuring the final product is ready for retail display. Packaging and shipping. The final step in the clothing manufacturing process is packaging and shipping. Once the garments are pressed and checked, they are neatly folded, tagged, and packed into boxes for transport. Depending on the destination, they may travel by truck, ship, or air to retail stores, wholesalers, or directly to consumers if they are sold online. The role of technology in modern clothing manufacturing. In recent years, technology has significantly impacted clothing manufacturing. Advanced machines, robots, and AI-driven software have made the production process more efficient and precise. For instance, automated sewing machines can stitch faster and more accurately than human workers, and fabric-cutting robots can reduce waste and improve efficiency. This integration of technology has transformed the industry, making it possible to produce higher quality garments at a faster rate and lower cost. Sustainability in clothing manufacturing. With growing environmental concerns, sustainability has become a hot topic in the fashion world. Many manufacturers are now adopting eco-friendly practices, like using organic cotton, reducing water usage, and recycling fabric scraps. Sustainable clothing manufacturing not only helps the environment, but also appeals to consumers who are more mindful of their ecological footprint. Brands are also focusing on ethical labor practices to ensure fair wages and safe working conditions for garment workers. The fast fashion phenomenon. Fast fashion refers to the rapid production of low-cost clothing that is designed to meet the latest trends. This model has revolutionized the industry by allowing brands to quickly bring new styles to market. However, it also raises concerns about the environmental impact, low wages for workers, and the waste created by mass production. As consumers become more aware of these issues, there's a shift towards more sustainable and ethical fashion choices. The importance of skilled workers in clothing manufacturing. While technology has changed many aspects of manufacturing, skilled workers are still the backbone of the clothing industry. Expert seamstresses, pattern makers, and quality controllers are essential to creating high-quality garments. Skilled labor ensures that the final product meets the design specifications and that the garment is durable and well constructed. If the process of clothing manufacturing fascinates you and you're considering a career in the textile industry, the Clothing and Textiles Manufacturing Diploma at eLearn College could be a fantastic way to start your journey. With this online diploma, you'll gain valuable skills that will prepare you for a career in this dynamic field. Whether you're interested in design, quality control, production management, or sustainability, this diploma will provide you with the knowledge needed to excel. And the best part, you can learn from the comfort of your own home at your own pace. An online diploma makes it easier to balance your studies with your personal life, making it an ideal choice for those who want to break into this industry. The future of clothing manufacturing. The clothing manufacturing industry is constantly evolving. As technology advances, the production process will continue to get faster and more efficient. Additionally, the growing demand for sustainable and ethical practices will drive change. The future of clothing manufacturing is one where innovation, efficiency, and sustainability go hand in hand. For those entering the field, there are endless opportunities to make a significant impact. Clothing manufacturing is a complex and fascinating process that brings together creativity, skill, and technology. From the initial design to the final product on the shelf, each step in the process is essential to ensuring that the garment meets the desired standards. As the fashion industry continues to evolve, those with the right skills will be in high demand. If you're passionate about fashion and want to make a difference, pursuing a diploma in clothing and textile manufacturing could be the perfect way to launch your career.